You got this. Hey, beautiful souls, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's super close to my heart. Scaling your virtual assistant business to incredible new heights. Listen, you've poured your heart and soul into creating an amazing service for your clients. You're incredible at what you do, and now it's time to take things to the next level. We're talking more freedom, more impact, and yes, more abundance too. So, grab your favorite notebook and pen, because I'm about to share the exact strategies you need to scale with confidence and create a business that truly lights you up. Are you ready? Let's dive in. One of the biggest mistakes I see amazing VAs making is undervaluing their services. You gain experience, you level up your skills, but you forget to adjust your rates accordingly. Here's the thing, gorgeous. Your rates are a reflection of your value. As you become more experienced and sought after, you need to own that and charge what you're worth. Start by researching industry standards for your services, then gradually increase your rates with new clients or when renewing contracts. Don't be afraid to ask for what you deserve. Remember, charging higher rates not only boosts your income, but it also attracts higher quality clients who value your expertise. Ready to stand out from the crowd and command top dollar? Offering premium services is the way to go. Think about it. What are you truly passionate about? What skills do you have that set you apart? Maybe you're a whiz at project management, social media marketing, or creating killer email sequences. These are all valuable skills that businesses are willing to pay a premium for. Package those skills into irresistible offers and watch your income soar. Don't be afraid to niche down and become the go-to expert in your field. Remember, specialization is the key to attracting high-paying clients who are looking for your unique expertise. Chapter 3. The Juggling Act, Managing More Clients Without Losing Your Mind. As your business grows, you'll find yourself with more and more clients. Amazing, right? But it can also feel overwhelming if you don't have the right systems in place. First things first, get yourself a project management tool that you love. This will be your saving grace when it comes to staying organized, tracking deadlines, and keeping everything running smoothly. Next, create clear communication channels with your clients. Set boundaries and stick to them. Remember, you're running a business, not a 24/7 emergency hotline. And if you're feeling completely swamped, don't be afraid to outsource. Hiring a subcontractor can free up your time and allow you to focus on what you do best. Chapter 4. Work smarter, not harder, creating systems that sing. Listen up, Buttercup, because this is a game changer. Creating efficient systems and workflows is the key to scaling your business without burning out. Think about the tasks you do repeatedly in your business. Can you create templates, checklists, or even automate them? The goal is to streamline everything so you can work smarter, not harder. Document your processes so you can easily train new team members or subcontractors. Trust me, having systems in place will save you so much time and energy in the long run. Plus, it allows you to focus on the creative and strategic aspects of your business that you truly love. Chapter 5. Reinvest in your empire, tools and training for the win. Okay, amazing VAs, let's talk about reinvesting in your business. Just like you'd invest in a beautiful new outfit or a relaxing spa day, you need to invest in your business to help it grow and thrive. This means setting aside a portion of your income each month to reinvest in tools, software, or training that will enhance your skills and make you even more valuable to your clients. Think about the areas where you could use some extra support. Maybe it's investing in a course on SEO, upgrading your tech setup, or hiring a business coach to help you reach your goals faster. Remember, investing in yourself and your business is the key to unlocking your full potential and creating a business that truly lights you up. There you have it, my loves. Those are my top tips for scaling your virtual assistant business to incredible new heights. Remember, you are capable of amazing things, and the world needs your unique gifts. So go out there, embrace your inner rock star, and create a business that allows you to live a life you love. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your fellow VA friends who are ready to scale their empires. Until next time, stay fabulous.